Thanks for tuning in. Let's get started. I'm just not up to it. I'm just really not up to doing bamboo crafts right now. Let's talk about it. We came out here one day and we built this phone dock, amplifier, whatever you want to call this thing, right? It was an idea suggested, but after we made it, or after I made it, for some reason I completely lost interest. I think it has something to do with technology. It just kind of threw me off course mentally, I think, a little bit. All of a sudden, I just didn't want to deal with anything bamboo. And I think it was because we attached an iPhone. So I'm gonna unbox this. I'm gonna see if, just basically look at, how this is. It's like really barely any kind of magnetization. And in the end of the cable, I think it's a USB-C, I believe that is. It does stay on there pretty good, but barely. Okay. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks. We're gonna plug it in and we're gonna see if it actually charges. It's plugged in. I think, with a magnet charger, we're definitely on the right track with being able to charge it and having it on our little dock, okay? See, that's a good thing and a bad thing, that whole thing spins like that, because we want to incorporate that ability, right? Or at least I do. Because what I want to be able to do is I want to change angles if I want. So I've got like a bunch of different ideas running through my head as far as design on this. There's so many different things or designs we could go with. Yeah, we got just a lot of different ideas, a lot of different things we could do. Lots of different possibilities, I should say. All I need now is your encouragement. I'm struggling to crack the algorithms, and just any little bit of encouragement, guys, goes a long way with this kind of stuff. So yeah,